Hello, beautiful people. So, I will be sharing with you how I make my DIY clay hair mask. First ingredient is bentonite clay, and the second one is aloe vera water. So the clay that I'm using in this video is 95% of bentonite clay and 5% of rose clay. I mix everything together and add 5 tablespoons of my DIY oil, and you can also use a hand blender so that this product can go on smoothly. I am going to put my hair into 4 sections, then I will take one section down and spray some water to get my hair damp before going in with the DIY clay mask. So this is the product I'm going to apply on my scalp first before working my way to my ends, and I will cover my hair with a shower cap and let that stay in for 1 to 2 hours, and guys, then I rinse it out. Alright, ladies, I am gonna tell you what I did to my hair before using this clay hair mask. Yesterday, I did use a clarifying shampoo, and after I was done, I rinsed that shampoo out and I went in with my DIY aloe vera gel oil, and I did twisted my hair and let it air dry and use my satin bonnet. And guys, this is what clay will do for your hair. It cleans the scalp, it make your curls pop, and it also make your hair softer. Bye bye.